its 13th edition today. The show incorporates the Denim Show, which is in collaboration with the Denim Manufacturers Association, and also hosts featured zones of Fabrics and Trims Show, as well as Screen Print India Textiles. This platform has steadily grown to become one of the most important platform of the industry as a meeting point and for India's garment and manufacturing and textile machinery sector. And we are thrilled to have all of you join us here today. The expo is jointly organized by Mex Exhibitions Private Limited and Messe Frankfurt Trade Fairs India, and the show is a key part of Messe Frankfurt Group's textile and technology portfolio, bringing together the innovations, dialogue and business under single roof. This year, we are glad to share that we have 125 exhibitors who are participating with us across showcasing a diverse variety of exhibits ranging from technology, machinery, denim innovations, variety of fabrics, accessories, as well as digital screen printing solutions. And we also are happy to share that we have global participation, which you will be hearing in the upcoming speeches. We are also honored to have Uttar Pradesh as a state partner, and which is represented by Invest UP, which is a rising hub for the textile growth in India. Also, ladies and gentlemen, it gives me immense pleasure to celebrate the presence of Honorable Minister of Textiles, Government of Maharashtra, Shri Sanjay Savkareji. Sir, it is a pleasure to have you here with us today. And without further ado, we would begin this inauguration ceremony with the felicitations, and I would like to invite Mr. Gaurav Juneja, Director Mex Exhibitions Private Limited, to do the honors and felicitate Shri Sanjay Savkareji, Honorable Minister of Textiles, Government of Maharashtra. Can we have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, to celebrate this? Next, I invite Shri Shashank Chaudhary, IAS, Additional Chief Executive Officer, Invest UP. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, please. Next, I invite Mr. Sharad Jaipuria, President, Denim Manufacturers Association, and Chairman and Managing Director, Guinea International Limited. I invite Mr. Amir Akhtar, Group President and CEO, Textiles Jindal Worldwide Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a blissful morning. Please keep raising the round of applause. Thank you, Mr. Juneja. I invite Mr. Raj Manek, Executive Director and Board Member, Messe Frankfurt Asia Holdings Limited, to felicitate our guest, Mr. Stephen Frank, Chairman, Taiwan Sewing Corporation Association. Next, I invite Mr. Elgar Straub, Managing Director for VDMA, Textile Care, Fabric and Leather Technologies. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, please. Next, I invite Mr. Simon Lee, Managing Director, Husen Group, Husen Corporation India Private Limited. Next, I invite Mr. Arvind Mathur, Vice President, Denim Manufacturers Association, and CEO, Raymond Yuko Private Limited. Round of applause, please. Thank you, Mr. Manek. Ladies and gentlemen, as we proceed with the inauguration ceremony, we would now like to hear from all our distinguished guests on the dais, and we have some special addresses over here. To begin with, I would like to invite Mr. Gaurav Juneja, Director Mex Exhibitions Private Limited, to deliver the welcome address. Please welcome him with a huge round of applause.
Good morning everyone. It's a real pleasure to welcome you all to the 13th edition of GATEX Textiles India at Mumbai. Every edition brings something new to the table, and yet what remains consistent is the energy, motivation, and the industry participation that makes this platform what it is today. Let me begin with extending a very warm welcome to our Honorable Minister Shri Sanjay Satkareji, Honorable Minister of Textile, Government of Maharashtra. We thank you for your presence, sir. We are truly honored to have you with us. Maharashtra has always been a central role in India's textile growth story, and your presence has made this possible today. I also extend a heartfelt welcome to Sri Shashank Chaudhary ji, IAS Additional CEO, Officer of Invest UP, Government of Uttar Pradesh. Your involvement adds as an important dimension of getting today's gathering, as UP and what is called Uttar Pradesh is steadily emerging as a key hub for the textile value chain, and we are grateful to your presence. It is quite significant to see two of our important textile states here, Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh, represented by both voices from the government side. That make itself the platform very special, and I believe that it is an encouraging messaging for platforms like GATEX, Tech Process, not just as an industry event, but shared spaces where government, business, and innovation come together to make this forward. A very warm welcome to our other dignitaries sitting on the dais, including Mr. Stephen, Mr. Elgar, Sri Sharad Japuria ji, our President and dear friend of Denim Manufacturers Association, Mr. Simon Lee, MD Housing India Corporation, our industry veteran Sri Amar Akhtar ji and Arvind Mathur ji, and a partner Raj Manik, Mr. Frankfurt, India. This year, the show features about more than 130 exhibitors, including international participation from Italy, Singapore, Korea, Japan, and a dedicated Taiwan pavilion. This international participation will bring forward some of the most advanced textile innovations in this region. I'm also proud to remark about a long-standing relationship with Denim Manufacturers Association, which has been a consistent value partner in growing the denim show year by year. It's been an amazing journey together, and I believe our shared commitment to promoting India's denim potential has made a real impact in the global market. Along with the denim show, we have the Fabrics and Trims and Screen Print India textiles. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of MEX Exhibitions and our co-organizers, Messe Frankfurt, I want to thank each one of you, industry colleagues, honorable government officials, our friends from the media, and our exhibitors and our potential buyers sitting here. I hope that the next 3 days at GATEX Tech Process are full of ideas, innovation, and new opportunities. Thank you.